DJT stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Trump Media and technology stock. It's sitting at $30.02 and we're like 0.5% up. This is a pretty bullish market. If you didn't already know last week's performance overall, so far, you know, the market is still not closed yet, but so far we're 18% up, which is a pretty solid week. The week prior was also pretty good. It was 53% up. That's cool. And now, you can see like, well, coming back into from this perspective, this is how my prediction looked like, right? Ever since we were like at 27 cents, since then we definitely started to pick up, but the way that I looked for a buys just never happened and we just kind of started going without me. But as long as the rules are met, only then I'll buy. They were not there, so I'm waiting for maybe a potential re-entry to get in, but other than that, I'll keep you updated. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. Our reviews are 5 stars.